great opportunity to own in Naples Heritage. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is being offered turnkey. Ashbury floor plan. Condo has brand new HVAC. Kitchen has new stainless steel appliances. Plank tile floors throughout except for bedrooms. Light fixtures and ceiling fans recently updated. Back screen lanai is the perfect place to relax, entertain and dine with captivating view lake and golf course, all 7 par 3. Deeded carport parking and outside storage room. Building equipped with elevator. Naples Heritage is a beautifully landscaped, gated, bundled golf community situated on 550 acres of pristine lakes and AMP preserves. The 18-hole golf course, putting green, thriving range, renovated clubhouse west/pro shop, resort-style pool west/cabana, tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce ball, and fitness center are all part of the Naples Heritage lifestyle. Just minutes from downtown restaurants, shopping and AMP, beaches,